Hola, Bobby G. ¿Cómo te llamas? Welcome to the Thanos world. I like you.
Bro, Bubby, what are you doing?
Why not give a fuck? Let me show you right now before you give it up.
Bubby! What? Bobby! Alright, Jimmy, you said you want to go back to Billy Bob?
I want to get my dynamite checked out by Billy Bob. It's because, you know, it's kind of too blocky.
Jimmy, I think it's just shaped that way, but oh, whatever. Come on.
Alright.
Billy Bob! Billy Bob, wake up! Check out his dynamite. It looks
Yeah.
weird.
Let me see your dynamite. So what's wrong with it, though?
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit too blocky.
Well, it's just shaped that way, Jimmy.
Nuh-uh, it's freaking dumb butt, monkey touch, shaped it this way. It's supposed to be circle, but he's not circling
Well,
it
can you
correctly.
fix
See how
it?
it's like square? I'll try.
Jimmy? What was that?
Nothing.
Billy
No,
Bob.
I can't fix it, sadly.
Well,
He broke
Jimmy-
it too much. Okay, well, can you trade me? Oh, yeah, I'll trade you. Okay, let's...
Bro, today's Christmas, man.
No, it's not, bro.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God!
Yeah, come here. Look, you got some presents from Santa Claus. Grab your
Yay.
presents and let's go open them. All right, come here. Let's open them.
Let's go with this one. Yay!
You gotta. Okay, Billy, which one do you want to open?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Gotta tell about toe. If we hurry, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't want that one.
You got an iPad, Billy. Don't eat this iPad, please. Okay, Billy, let's open up your last present, okay? Let's see what you got, man.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
Yeah, there's something in
I
there.
sound like metal.
All right, let's see.
Alright. A grenade!
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, go. Ah! Get scammed, kid! You stink! Alright, Turtles, before we go into battle, state your name.
My name is Don Payo. That smells good. Leopardo! My name is Raphael.
My name is Michelangelo, and we are the Returnos!
Where's the monster? There he is! He's right there! Get him! Get him! Oh my gosh! No! What the? Leopardo! What happened?
I have some very valuable items in this backpack right here. You want them?
Yeah, give it to me. Wow, what is that? Respawn me! Respawn me!
You should sell the umbrella. You should just totally.
No! Everybody's not everybody.
Bro, that was mine, Give me the ring.
Don't give it, man. Please don't give it.
Get shot.
Do you guys also find this?
Stay back.
What is this movie? It's called The Nitty Alien. It plays that song, and if it plays in like 2 hours, that means you're banned. Yo, if that plays that song.
It was so bright.
Oh damn. Oh damn. God. Damn. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, scam again, scam again. Hey, I wasn't gonna scam you. Ah, scam again, scam.
Yo, are you good, bro? Yo, what did they take, bro? Yo, oh, yo. Yo, are you good, bro? Oh, yo.
He threw his Oculus at the wall or something.
Sing to me, 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 mommy sing to me, sing to me, mommy sing to me.
Chat, look how cute it is. It's a little flower. Razor blade. What? Because randomly, the PvP switches off. I don't know why. Like you can't kill me.
No, fuck you. Okay. No, fuck you. Oh, yes sir. Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, sympathy, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to try. So tell me when you're gonna leave. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it some. No, please, bro, please, bro, no, please, no, why you do
Oh, yeah, goodbye. Say, lost words.
My name is Yuvan.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years.
What is your name?
My name is Yuvan.
How old are you?
Alright, sir, here's your cheese. You want anything on it?
Can I get some mustard?
You suck. You know that? You know that? You know that?
Animal company, but I can't touch the color green. This doesn't count because I'm buying something. Oh, shoot. Oh, that doesn't count because I just started and I have to look it. This doesn't count since it just started. I need the dynamite. This doesn't count because this is shaded. That didn't count since it's a zip line. This doesn't count since it also aligns from down here. Oh shit. No, 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 no. Shit. Shit. Gorilla Tag is not a game about swinging your arm.
One second without food, 10 seconds without food, 1 minute without food, 5 minutes without food. Oh, that's 10 minutes, that's good.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
No!
Yup, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, I just killed him. That's what he gets.
What? Why you kill him? He did! Why you kill him? Why you kill him?
Bro, what do you mean? It's not that serious.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Bro, it's just a game.
Go. Yeah. Good. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go mine now.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
What is this?
Nino, I wanted braids!
You wanted braids?
Yeah!
Not a braid? Hit that follow button. Let's go. Shake 'em, man. Shake 'em.
Go! What up?
Tactical nuke incoming!
Hey, what's up, dweeb? Yeah, go find me, dweeb. Yeah.
Yo, what is that guy doing? Nah.
Off to school. I'm off to pursue my education. I won't be a backpack anymore, bro. I'm gone. What the fuck?
Yo!
Backpack? Screw this.
We're gonna trade, alright? We're gonna drop the bags at the same time, alright? 3, 2, 1. What are you trying to do, buddy? No!
Yo, I need to take a sloppy shit, man. Holy.
Here's your food.
You forgot my shake.
You didn't order a shake, sir.
Shake your booty.
This cheese is like... Yo, there's a fly! Oh my god! Yo! Yo! Get off my... Get off my table, yo! What are you... Yo, this fly's starting... Yo, alright. Yo, okay. What? Yo, he landed. I'm tired of this! Ah! Oh my gosh, there's cheese, yo!
Hey, I was here first.
I was literally here first!
Bro, you saw me come. I was here.
I was literally right here! Yeah, I grabbed it. And what? What are you gonna do about it?
Yes, the bathroom's free. Oh my gosh, I've been holding it all day. Oh, you can go first. You look like you're really constipated.
Oh my gosh. Oh!